Okay, so the chicken's been cooking for about 45 minutes. It's done. You can see it's a little bit smoky. I have some butter here, and so what I like to do is just take it off. Look at that. Nice, juicy. Put about a tablespoon of butter on both sides. Flip it over. That just gives it a nice flavor. Alright, makes the skin nice and flavorful. Right, just set that off to the side. Now I have another thermometer here, and I would stick it in here and try to go through the leg, right? So see, I got it going into the leg here. So you put it in the leg to make sure. And we're at about 100 and we're at about 100, we're at 186. If it goes through the leg. Okay, you see right now it's at about 184, 165, 175 is good. It's just a touch over, but 175 is pretty good. And that's done.